Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to like on a live TikTok video. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. This is a great way of showing your support for your TikTok creators by liking their TikTok live videos. So let me show you how to like on a live TikTok video. First, open up TikTok. Once TikTok loads up, tap on live at the top left. Now browse through the video and decide which one you want to like. To like a live video, double tap anywhere on the screen and you should see a heart appear, which means you have liked the video. Like can be done multiple times, so if you keep double tapping on it, you should see multiple hearts appear at the bottom right of the screen. And that is how to like on a live TikTok video. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.